Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss Google Discover. In this video, we dive deep what is Google Discover, how it works and how you can make most out of it. Google Discover is like your own personal content curator. It is a feature from Google that brings together video, content and other web content that align with your interest in all in one place. Now question arises here is how does Google Discover works? It uses a mixture of algorithm and machine learning, understand your preference based on your search history, location, interaction with content. As you can see, here is the main interface. You'll find a scrollable feed card that represent different topics. These could range from technology, travel to cooking and fitness and so much more. One of the great thing about Google Discover is you can customize your interest. You do this by clicking on three dots on a card and selecting not interested or interested. This helps fine-tune the type of content you see. Google Discover also keep you updated with all the new content over the internet. Alright, now these are the basic tips that you know about the Google Discover. Now let's talk about the pro tips about the Google Discover. If you want to reset your preference, you have to clear your browsing history. Searching the specific keyword can help Google to understand your interest better. You can also provide the feedback. If card isn't relevant, you can use the not interested option. Conversely, if you found this helpful, then click interested. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the next coming videos. Thanks for watching the videos.